Hey guys, well today it is Halloween and you can actually see some leaves are just coming down, and I just raked up a pile of leaves and you can see how big the pile is already. Just this whole area right here was just covered from this maple tree. The leaves are starting to come down, so this maple tree is already starting to shed its leaves, and it's definitely shedded a whole lot. The pecan tree is just getting ready to shed its leaves. So today I thought I'd do a video on vacuuming leaves with the Toro super blower vac. As y'all saw in that video that I made not too long ago on converting this thing into a leaf vac, so I thought I'd just do a video on vacuuming leaves with it. Now, I did do a video about 4 years ago on using this thing with the leaf vac, but the video didn't quite turn out that well, and besides it was not in HD, and I didn't have a tripod back then. So I already got it all plugged in. So I'm gonna just vacuum up this pile of leaves right here. And so I'll get my tripod and we'll get it all set up. Alright, so bag is in and the machine's plugged in. Let's give her a try. Alright. So it actually works pretty good. And let me just pull this bag off if I can. Okay, hang on a second. Alright, so I finally got the bag off. Also forgot to mention it's also got a shoulder strap. You can actually have it over your shoulder if you want, but in this case I didn't. Okay, let me just unzip this bag. Check out all the clippings, and did a pretty good job on shredding them. So yeah, definitely some really nice mulch right here. So cool. So again, that's me vacuuming leaves with the Toro super blower vac. And I think later on I'll try the leaf vac kit on the Echo PV400E. See how well it works. See, the bag for it is just way over there. You can't really see it. And cool. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed that video. So thanks for watching.